Hey, this is Erica Chakowski with DevOps.com. I'm here in San Francisco at DUS 2015. I'm talking to Dominica DeGrandis with LeanKit, and we're going to talk a little bit about predictability and how DevOps can help that. So tell me a little bit about the predictability problem that we have today.
The problem is that we tell people that something that they've asked for is only going to take a couple of days, and it ends up taking weeks sometimes, and we become unpredictable. And it happens because we have a lot of work on our plate, and it's hard to prioritize it. And we take more work on and more work on, and then the older work gets deprioritized and it gets dependencies and blocked, but we take more work on, and it's just hard to get it all done.
It's the hero complex almost. One of the things that I was thinking about when we were talking about this topic is that nothing destroys a relationship more than not honoring your promises. So I mean, and the whole point of this is that we're developing better relationships with the business, and you're going to destroy it when you're unpredictable.
Absolutely. There's a lot of uncertainty that we're dealing with, and people just want to know when their thing's going to be done.
Right.
And if we're not allocating time for unplanned work and for emergencies, then we become slammed, and ultimately we let people down.
Absolutely.
It's a problem.
So let's talk about how to make that happen, how to actually bring predictability to the forefront. What's the number one thing that you would suggest?
Make your work visible, so people can see it. It's hard to manage invisible work. And if we can bring visibility to the work moving through the pipeline, then we can see where work gets stuck. We can bring visibility to that. It's great if we can visualize dependencies and understand the dependencies between the different work, because the more dependencies we have, the higher the likelihood of work getting done late.
Right.
It's going to occur. And then, graph it out. Show the work, show how long it took, put it into a scatter plot, put it into a histogram, and then reveal to people this is what's going on. Show people that here's what you asked, here's how long it took, here were the interruptions and the context switching along the way that delayed it. And then we can have a conversation about then we can have a conversation about the queues and how long the wait queues are. Just like being on a freeway. If a freeway's piled up, we know our commute's going to be long.
You're going to have to do something, either widen the freeway or lessen the amount of cars you have on it. Those are kind of your choices there, right?
Same thing. It's why we see the traffic light during rush hour time getting on the freeway.
Very good. Well, hey, thanks so much, and hopefully we'll see you again next year.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.